RTV at realtorvision.com. Today I'm going to show you how to update your profile image prior to uploading to your RTV account. Currently for your RTV, your recommended dimensions are 98 by 115. And so what we're going to do is we're going to preset the profile image to that dimension so that way after uploading it, the site doesn't have to resize it itself and will ultimately result in a sharper image upon upload. Now it is in development to increase this dimension in the future, but for the meantime, we're going to go ahead and show you this method. All right, now open up your image in Photoshop, go to Image, and then Image Size. Now here, you're going to see that these dimensions, these pixels, are constrained, and we want that to be, and also confirm that you are on pixels here. And what we're going to be looking for is the smaller number of the set, and that's the one we're going to change first. So since the height is our smaller number, we're going to go ahead and select that, and we're going to go ahead and set that to the 115, as that is the height dimension on the site. Also make sure that your resampling is set to bicubic sharper, and this will help as well. Go ahead and hit OK. Now you'll see that the image is much smaller, and it's currently at a much smaller zoom. So go ahead and set that to 100, hit enter, and that's about the size we're looking at the moment. Now what we want to do is go to image and canvas size. And here is where we're going to change the width. Set that to 98. Since I am centered in the image, you can go ahead and choose where you might be centered at in your own image, but I am centered. I'm going to leave it there. And this is going to crop in on the sides of the image, so that way I stay square to it. Go ahead and hit OK. Yes, it's going to adjust it. Proceed. And there it is. Now you are squarely in your image. It's resized. And if you want to add a little more pop to it, you can go ahead and go to Filter, Sharpen, and select one of these options. You can also go to Smart Sharpen, and then you can adjust it to your liking, and you'll see it change there. Hitting preview, you can see the difference right here. You can change your amount however you would like, and then hit OK, and then you're all set. Go ahead and do an export at the highest quality you can for that, and then go ahead and upload. Thank you for watching. Bye.